If you've ever written emails, school assignments, blog posts, or even social media content, you've probably heard about Grammarly. But in 2026, with so many AI writing tools available, many people are asking the same question: is Grammarly still worth it? Should you pay for Grammarly Premium, or are there better alternatives now? In this video, we're going to look at what Grammarly offers in 2020, its strengths, its limitations, and whether it's actually worth your money. Let's get started. First, what exactly is Grammarly? At its core, Grammarly is a writing assistant. It helps users improve grammar, spelling, punctuation, clarity, and overall writing quality. It works across websites, documents, emails, and even mobile devices, making it one of the most widely used writing tools in the world. The reason Grammarly became so popular is because it works in real time. As you type, it immediately highlights mistakes and suggests corrections. This can save a huge amount of time, especially for people who write every day. Now, let's talk about what's new. Grammarly is no longer just a grammar checker. Over the last few years, it has added many AI-powered features, including rewriting suggestions, tone adjustments, content generation, summaries, and writing assistance for different types of communication. Whether you're writing a business email, a report, or a social media post, Grammarly can now help generate and improve content much faster than before. Another major advantage is convenience. Grammarly works with many popular applications, allowing you to improve your writing almost anywhere. Because of this, you don't need to constantly copy and paste your text between different tools. Now, let's discuss the free version. Many users are surprised by how much Grammarly includes for free. Basic grammar corrections, spelling checks, and writing suggestions are available without paying. For casual users, students, and people who only write occasionally, the free plan may already be enough. However, the premium version unlocks more advanced features, including sentence rewrites, clarity improvement, tone recommendations, vocabulary enhancements, and more powerful AI writing tools. If you write professionally or create a lot of content, these features can become extremely useful. Now, let's talk about accuracy. One of Grammarly's biggest strengths is that its suggestions are usually easy to understand. Instead of simply identifying mistakes, it often explains why something should be changed. This helps users improve their writing skills over time, rather than just fixing individual errors. Of course, no writing tool is perfect. Sometimes Grammarly can suggest changes that aren't necessary, especially if you're intentionally using a particular writing style. That's why it's always a good idea to review suggestions before accepting every correction. Now comes the most important question: is Grammarly worth paying for in 2026? For many people, the answer is yes, especially if you regularly write emails, reports, articles, marketing content, or professional documents. The time saved by catching mistakes quickly and improving readability can easily justify the cost. On the other hand, if you only write occasionally, the free version may be all you need, because it already covers the most common writing mistakes. Now, let's be honest. The value of Grammarly depends largely on how much you write. The more content you create, the more useful it becomes. And while many AI tools now offer writing assistance, Grammarly still remains one of the easiest and most reliable options for improving everyday writing. So to summarize, Grammarly continues to be one of the most popular writing assistants in 2026. It offers grammar correction, spelling checks, AI-powered rewriting, tone adjustments, and content improvement tools. The free version is excellent for casual users, while premium becomes more valuable for professional, students, and content creators who write frequently. Because honestly, if writing is part of your daily life, Grammarly can save time, reduce mistakes, and help you communicate more clearly every single day.